5 survival gadgets every man must have on Amazon. Gear up for the wild with these must-have survival gadgets. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Ensure your safety by equipping yourself with the Whan Bushcraft Settlers Tool Survival Hand Auger Wrench, the 5th product on our list. This multi-tool is designed for camping, bushcrafting, and outdoor backpacking. The Settlers Tool is a versatile tool that functions as a Scotch eyewood drill peg and a manual hole maker. It's perfect for creating holes in wood for various purposes during your outdoor adventures. Whether you need to set up a shelter, build a fire pit, or construct other camp essentials, this tool has got you covered. With its compact design, it's easy to carry in your backpack or attach to your gear. It's a reliable and handy companion for any outdoor enthusiast or survivalist. Another component of this survival multi-tool is the peg tool. The Scotch-eyed auger features a cutting point suitable for a peg wrench. Hammer it into a branch to create a peg the same size as the wood auger bit. So if you're looking for a reliable and versatile tool for your bushcraft and outdoor adventures, the Whan Bushcraft Settlers Tool Survival Hand Auger Wrench is worth considering. When faced with challenging situations, the Surefire Stiletto Pro, our survival gadget, ensures you keep moving forward. It holds the 4th position on our list. This flashlight is a compact and powerful tool that is perfect for all your lighting needs. The Stiletto Pro features multiple output levels, allowing you to choose the brightness that suits your situation. Whether you need a high-intensity beam for long-distance illumination or a lower output for up-close tasks, this flashlight has got you covered. One of the great features of the Stiletto Pro is its rechargeable capability. You can easily charge it using the USB cable, so you don't have to worry about constantly buying and replacing batteries. It's convenient and eco-friendly. With its sleek and slim design, the Stiletto Pro is easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your gear. It's made with durable materials, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. So whether you're camping, hiking, or need a reliable flashlight for everyday use, the Surefire Stiletto Pro Multi-Output Rechargeable Pocket LED Flashlight in black is a fantastic choice. It's compact, powerful, and built to last. In an unpredictable world, the Garmin 010-02602-00 InReach Mini 2 gadget provides you with peace of mind, securing its spot as the 3rd product on our list. A compact and lightweight satellite communicator allows for two-way messaging and interactive SOS globally. Active satellite subscription required. The use of satellite communication devices may be regulated or prohibited in some jurisdictions. It works with Bluetooth connectivity. It is also water resistant. The InReach Mini 2 is designed to keep you connected even when you're off the grid. It allows you to send and receive messages, track your location, and even trigger an SOS signal in emergencies. With its satellite communication capabilities, you can stay in touch with friends, family, or emergency services, no matter where you are. One of the great features of the InReach Mini 2 is its small size. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry in your backpack or attach to your gear. It's perfect for hiking, camping, or any adventure where staying connected is essential. The device also has a long battery life, so you don't have to worry about running out of power during outdoor excursions. And with its durable construction, it can withstand the elements and rough handling. So, if you're looking for a reliable and compact communication device for your outdoor adventures, the Garmin 010-02602-00 InReach Mini 2 is worth considering. Tap into your inner survivor with the LifeStraw water filter, ranked as the 2nd product on our list. This nifty little device is a game changer for accessing clean and safe drinking water outdoors. The LifeStraw personal water filter is designed to filter out harmful bacteria and parasites from water sources, making it safe to drink. It uses a hollow fiber membrane to remove 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella, and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, including Giardia and Cryptosporidium. It's like having a portable water purification system in your hand. One of the best things about the LifeStraw is its simplicity. You can dip the straw into any freshwater source, like a river or stream, and drink directly from it. There is no need for complicated setup or pumping. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a must-have for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness. The LifeStraw personal water filter is also built to last. It can filter up to 4,000 liters, 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to about 3 years of drinking water for one person. That's some severe filtration power. So, if you're an outdoor enthusiast or want to be prepared for emergencies, the LifeStraw personal water filter is an essential tool to have in your kit. Stay hydrated and stay safe. Before we reveal the last product on the list, make sure you check out the description in the link below for the newest deals for each of these items' products. And make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the best products in the market. When challenges arise, rely on these survival gadgets to keep you going. Leading the way, the first product on our list is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping and Backpacking Stove. This little stove is a game changer for outdoor cooking adventures. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is designed to be lightweight and compact, perfect for camping and backpacking trips where space and weight are at a premium. It weighs just 2.6 ounces, 73 grams, so it won't weigh you down on your adventures. Despite its small size, the Pocket Rocket 2 packs a punch when it comes to cooking power. It can boil a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, so you can quickly whip up a hot meal or a cup of coffee in no time. The stove uses a high-performance burner that provides a strong and consistent flame, even in windy conditions. Setting up the Pocket Rocket 2 is a breeze. It features a simple and reliable design, allowing easy assembly and disassembly. It also has a sturdy pot support system that can accommodate a wide range of cookware sizes. One of the great things about the Pocket Rocket 2 is its fuel efficiency. It can run on various fuel canisters, including MSR Pro, making it versatile and convenient. Plus, it has precise flame control so you can adjust the heat to your liking. So, if you're looking for a lightweight and efficient stove for your camping or backpacking adventures, the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is worth considering. It's a reliable and powerful cooking companion that won't weigh you down. Happy cooking. Adventure calls and these survival gadgets answer with unwavering reliability. Thanks for watching. If you'd like this video and it has helped you in any way, please give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.